Hello everyone, this is Peter. Today, you'll learn more about TFY's Electronic Employee Files system. Navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on My Team section. You can go to a specific contractor by navigating to the right-hand side and clicking on the profile icon. This opens up your contractor's profile. You'll see on the right-hand side a blue box, which is technically where the electronic employee files sit. It is GDPR compliant, secure, and encrypted. It also completely negates the need of having to share files with your contractor over email. You can use it to store information about the pay rate here, and in the document section you can share with them different documents that are required to be signed by them or you. Other important docs, such as their CV, any mandatory documents, personal ones, agreements, and terminations. The Employee Electronic File System also stores valuable data about your contractor, such as their skill set, their invoices, projects, and other applications. You can use it to score your employees' performance in terms of quality of work, productivity, communication, timeliness, or it can be related to their skill set and their performance over time, whether they're improving in certain areas or acquiring new skills. There's also an interactive organization chart which showcases the reporting hierarchies of your team. Thank you.